This is Dr. T. Varalakshmi discussing you about the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet related problems and their solutions as a part of this financial accountancy in business economics and financial analysis. These are all called as final accounts. First, journal, ledger, after preparation of this trial balance, then segregating the expenditures levels of the organization into three parts is called as these final accounts. Here, the first step of this final accounts is the preparation of the trading account, the title of that company and the year for their preparing, and the direct expenses, direct labor cost, wages, raw material cost, and direct expenses related to the producing of a product is going to be recording here under the trading account. Once the pro forma, if we see opening stock and the added purchases for that year with any returns is going to be taking under this one. And if any carriage inwards, cartages, freight, railway charges, octroi duties, landing, imported duties, all the direct expenses related to the manufacturing of a product and direct incomes with that products is going to be calculating under the trading account. So here under the debit side, if the balance is less, then we can say that credit is more, debit is less, and it is a profit. That is gross profit. And if the debit side is more and credit side it is less, then we can treat it as the gross loss. And the specimen for the profit and loss account, if we see after the gross profit and the gross loss identification, indirect expenses related to the product is going to be taken care under the gross loss and the gross profit, and the other expenditures related to this one are going to be taken into the consideration. And here the indirect expenses like the salaries, rents, rates, postages charges, telephone charges, printing and stationery, office electricity, and carriage outwards, whereas the carriage inwards was in the trading account, whereas the carriage outwards is a profit and loss account, or any indirect incomes like a discount received, dividend received, interest received, commission received, etc. is going to be calculating under the credit side of this profit and loss account. From this one, we can identify the net loss and the net profit amounts and to be posted in the balance sheet of the company. Finally, final accounts is going to be evaluating with the assets and liabilities verification of the organization. So whatever is the assets and the capital received for the organization and how it is going to be transformed into the assets is going to be verifying with the help of this balance sheet. Here the accounting equation is going to be verifying by the under the balance sheet, and here the liability should be equal to the assets, and its pro forma is under the current assets, cash in hand, cash at bank, inventories, bills receivables, sundry debtors, prepaid expenses, and accrued income. Under the fixed assets, land, building, plant and machinery, furnitures and fixtures, goodwill, etc. is going to be considered under the fixed assets. Whereas under the current liabilities, trade creditors, bills payables, outstanding expenses, advances and unearned incomes, short-term loans are considering. Under the non-current liabilities, long-term loans, debentures, and for the capital which they have received and net profits are going to be adding, and if at any net losses are all there, we have to less subtract that one, and we have to less the drawings are also. So that is all the pro forma related to the liabilities and assets under the balance sheet. So based on this pro forma, we need to prepare the balance sheet. So here, from the following particulars taken out from the books of Abdul Hassan and Company, we are required to prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet at the end of the December 31st, 2019. So sundry debtors, it is under the balance sheet, that too on our assets side. Account payables is the balance sheet and the two liabilities, current liabilities. Cash in hand, balance sheet, that too on assets side. Furniture, balance sheet, assets, that too fixed assets. Motor car, balance sheet, that too it is a fixed assets. Purchases, it is a trading account, that too on debit side it will come because it is an expenditure. Sales account, trading account, that too on credit side it will come. And sales return, it is less from the sales, that trading account and only credit side, but we will have to subtract from the sales. Salaries is the indirect expenses, so profit and loss account, expenditure, so debit side. Opening stock is the trading account, that too on debit side. Motor car expenses, that too these are all the expenditures for them, profit and loss account, debit side. Equipment is the balance sheet, that too on assets side. Insurance premium paid by the organization, it is an expenditure, so profit and loss account, debit side. Cash at bank, it is the balance sheet, that too on assets side. Machinery, balance sheet, assets, long-term assets side. Wages is the direct expenses by the company, trading account, debit side. General expenses, trading account, debit side. Carriage inwards, trading account, debit side. Carriage account outwards, profit and loss account, expenditure, debit side. Transportation in, trading account, debit side. If transportation out, it is profit and loss account. Owner's equity, capital, that is balance sheet, liability side. From this owner's equity, we will less this drawings, that is in the balance sheet only. And that next one is rent and taxes. These are all the expenditure for the organization, so profit and loss account, that too on debit side. So like this, we have identified their entries, where the correct entries, and just putting them in the proformas is only the left with us. So if we have learned this proformas, now it is easy for us to identify the accounts and posting them. And some other additional information is provided in this problem, that is a closing stock 35,000, where we know that one, it is comes under the trading account, credit side. And provision for doubtful debts at 5% of the sundry debtors they are maintaining. Provision is an expenditure for the organization, so 5% on the debtors, that is profit and loss account, they will maintain. The less amount, that is debit side, they will maintain. The remaining amount only they will post under the balance sheet. Depreciation on furniture and machinery is 10%. Depreciation is an expenditure, indirect expenditure, so profit and loss account, debit side, they will mention. Commission of 3,600 has been earned, means it is a profit and loss account, that to credit side, because it is receiving the benefits. And these are all some of the additional informations provided for us. So if we see this preparation of this trading account, first, Abdul Hassan and Company trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019. Opening stock of 11,400 is there in the adjustments. Closing stock they have given. Purchases 1,45,000. Sales of 2,92,000, where we have less the sales returns of 2,89,400 is a net amount. And the wages, carriage inwards, transportation in has added to this trading account. And finally, we see under the debit balance is less, credit balance is more, that is 3,24,400. The remaining balance of 1,35,930 rupees of the balance is at the debit balance. So it will be treated as gross profit to be posted to the next profit and loss account. So in this profit and loss account, this gross profit is credited 1,35,930, and only one thing is under the credit side, that is commission received, that 3,600, and the remaining expenditures like salaries, motor car expenses, insurance premium paid, prepaid insurances, general expenditures. Already insurance paid 2,400, whereas the prepaid already 1,800 is there, means 600 is only they have paid. And the general expenditures and carriage outwards, rent and taxes, provisional for the bad debts, depreciation on the furniture, 10%. 10% on the furniture, 10% on the machinery amount. That amount has taken into the consideration. The remaining debit side balance, again it is less, 1,13,650 rupees. It will be treated as net profit for the organization. So finally, the balance sheet has to prepare owner's equity of 20,000 with the less of the drawings, and profits of 1,13,650 net profits were added. So total liability position, owner's equity is 1,25,650, and the current liabilities of account payables and no long-term liabilities. The total liabilities position is 1,47,650, and whereas the furniture 3,500, but we need to less the depreciation and the remaining 3,150, and motor car 22,000, machinery 24,000, but the depreciation of the 2,400, 10% depreciation if we less, the total amount of that machinery is 21,600, and the equipment is 2,508 rupees, and the cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors with the less of the provisional for the bad debts 49,400, stock 35,000, commission receivables of 3,600, and prepaid insurance of 18,000 it has added, and 1,47,650 rupees is equivalent to that one. So like this, we will prepare the balance sheet with the given data. Same as if we see from the following trial balance of Faris Ali Qureshi and brothers, and additional information, prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet for the year ended June 30th, 2019. So the capital is the 1 lakh, and it is under the balance sheet liability position. Furniture balance sheet, assets, long-term assets, purchases, trading account, that too on debit side, debtors, balance sheet, current assets side, and interest earned by the organization, profit and loss account, credit side, salaries, indirect expenses, profit and loss account, debit side, sales, trading account, credit side, purchases, returns, trading, debit side only we have to less from the purchases, wages, trading account, debit side, rent, profit and loss account, debit side, sales returns, trading account, credit side, but we have to less from the sales, transportation out, that is profit and loss account, that too on debit side, creditors balance sheet, liabilities, current liabilities side, provision for the bad debts, expenditure for the organization, so profit and loss account, debit side, printing and stationery, indirect expenses, profit and loss account, debit side, insurance expenses, profit and loss account, debit side, opening stock, trading account, direct one, debit side, office expenses, profit and loss account, debit side, bank overdraft, profit and these are all the balance sheet liabilities, current liabilities position, drawings, balance sheet we need to subtract from the capital. So this is about the summary of these transactions, and finally we have identified where we have to note them. And additional information is also provided, that is depreciation on furniture by 10% by written down method, and a provision for discounting debts is to be created to the extent of 5% on sundry debtors, and salaries for the month of June 2009 amount to 3,000 were unpaid, which must be provided for. However, salaries include 2,000 paid in advance, and office expenses outstanding is 8,000. Insurance amount is 2,000 is a prepaid, and stock used for private purpose is 6,000, and the closing stock is 60,000. So with this one, trading account, if we see opening stock, purchases, less the purchase returns, drawings, wages, etc. has taken into the consideration, and the total gross profit of 1,62,000 is identified with the sales returns, and the closing stock. Next one, profit and loss account, salaries, outstanding, prepaid, rents, transportation, printing, insurances, expenses, less the prepaid of that one, and office expenses, less the outstanding expenses, depreciation on the furnitures, provision for the bad debts, new one, and old already 6,000 means the remaining 4,000, and net profit is 69,000 with this interest earned with this, and the net profit, gross profit of that one, and that is posted to the balance sheet, the capital with the less of the drawings and stock with the drawers, and profit before that one we have added total capital 1,39,000, bank overdraft, creditors, outstanding liabilities, salaries and expenses is accumulated to the total liabilities of 2,72,000, and it is balanced with the furniture after depreciation and the debtors after provisional bad debts, stock, prepaid expenses, salaries, insurances of amount. So that is a balance sheet preparation with the adjustments. Same as this problem 3, the following trial balance of Amna, Mustaq Ahmad and brothers on June 30th, 2020 prepare the profit and loss account of the balance sheet. Here the owner's equity balance sheet, liabilities side, account payables balance sheet, current liabilities, plant and machinery balance sheet, assets position, office and furnitures and fittings balance sheet, assets position, opening inventory, that is a stock, trading account, debit side, motor, van, profit and loss account, and that it is also a good balance sheet, assets, account receivables balance sheet, assets. These two are the balance sheets, assets side, and trading account debit balance, salaries, profit and loss account credit, purchases, trading account debit side, sales, trading account credit side. So from all this one, and note payables, that is account payables, are all called as the creditors, that is the balance sheet. Note receivables balance sheet, these are all the liabilities, and here it is the uh, assets. Return inwards, that is purchase returns, trading account debit side we have to subtract from the purchases, provisional for the bad debts, profit and loss account debit side, drawings balance sheet we need to write under the liabilities, less subtract from the capital, returns outwards, that is sales returns, that is a trading account credit side we need to subtract from the sales, rent, profit and loss account debit side, excise duty, profit and loss account debit side, insurance debit side means expenditure, profit and loss account debit side, general expenses, profit and loss account debit side, bad debts provision they have maintained, profit and loss account debit, and here the discount received, profit and loss account debit side, this amount will be called as the received, discount received, so profit and loss account credit side we have to write. So like this we have to consider where it belongs to. So we need to prepare where it belongs to, we have to prepare. And the additional information is stock at the end of the year, that is the closing stock which comes under the trading account, credit side 5,200, and the 3 months excise duties is due but not paid, 30 not paid means won't takes into the consideration. 5% depreciation to be written off on the furniture, and furniture return of furniture bad debts is 70 rupees, and the provision for the bad debts is to be 300, and the provision for discount and debtors is 2%. During the last year machinery was purchased for 2,000 but was debited to purchases account. This is the additional information provided for that one. So once if we see this opening stock and the closing stocks in the adjustments, the sales with the sales returns, purchases with the less of the purchase returns, and the machinery purchases were not returned, so 2,000 has to less, and wages, excise duties, outstanding ones, and accumulated the gross profit of 13,560, and that was added to the profit and loss account of salaries, rent, insurances, general expenditures, bad debts. Additional of the bad debt 70 rupees, which is under adjustments, was given 320 rupees, and discount 370 received under the credit of that one. and new and old provisions if well as 50 rupees. And finally net profit of 10,083 rupees we have received, and we have prepared the balance sheet of the capital of 4,000 with the drawings less 7,000, profit of 10,083, 13,383, and note payables 560, account payables 5,200, and outstanding expenses duties of 30. That total accumulation of the liabilities to the plant and machineries with additional of 2,000, 7,000, office furniture and fittings 260, depreciation of 13, 247, and motor van of the assets and current liability, current assets of cash in hand, cash at bank, note receivables, account receivables, furniture of the bad debts, and provision for the bad debts, provision for the discounts after lessing of that one closing stock we have added. The total assets is equivalence to the total liabilities. So like this, we will prepare the balance sheet, trading account, and the profit and loss account if we have the knowledge of the pro formas related to the trading, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.